Guys, today we talk about how can you verify your account on your Kikoin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do if your account is not verified, so you just come to this list. Here in this list, you will find here verify your account. Click here on verify account here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on get verified here. So when you click on get verified, you come to this list and here add your country and here add your id card and here or here can you select if you want to add your ID card or passport or driver license. So when you just click on ID card, for example, you click here on next, then here add your first name, then last name and ID number here. So then you click on next. So then it's going to take you to fill all this your information. So then it's going to add with you on your key on your Keyqueen app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.